Can you solve all these Class 3 Maths Chapter 12? Can we share questions? A 7?
Well reasoned. 900 is the correct choice.
A 5. Good job. Your answer 70 works well here.
11.
Exactly. 44 makes sense and it is right choice.
Smart pick. 72 is the correct choice.
Wow. Good thinking. Zoe is the right answer. 30. Bravo. 13 is the answer.
2. Correct response. 41 is the most accurate answer.
9 plus 9 plus 9 equal to? Right choice. 45 is the best answer. 5 times 6. Nice work. You chose 30 and it is correct.
20 divided by 5.
You got it. Your choice 4 is right. 18 divided by 8.
Strong choice. 1 is the right answer.
Dash divided by 9 equal to A.
Smart move. 72 is an accurate answer.
Division means repeated dash.
Valid point. Subtraction is true.
What are living creatures can live in?
Nice selection. Human, animals, and plants is the correct and valid answer.
Find out solution E. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 3D dash.
Great job. Phi is the accurate answer. Find out the quotient for 28 divided by 4.
Great thinking. 7 is the right choice.
What is the answer to a division problem?
Excellent. Quotient is a brilliant choice.
63 multiplied by 21 is equal to dash multiplied by 63.
Nicely done. 21 is a solid answer.
What are 2 important things in the earth? You're right. Oxygen and water is the correct answer.
Which of the following has the greater value?
Sharp thinking. 3x5 is the right choice. Divide 600 by 100 and tell what will be the answer. Clear logic. Your choice 6 is sound and 100% true. 4 books cost rupees 448. What is the cost of 1 book? Excellent choice. 112 is the right answer. What should 4 be multiplied by to give the answer 24? Solid response. 6 is a valid choice. What percentage of the earth is covered by water? You chose 70%, and it is correct.
Share 12 balloons among 3 boys. How many balloons for each boy?
Right again. 4 is a valid answer. 3 chocolate cost rupees 15. Find the cost of 1 chocolate. Correct. 5 is the right answer. Share 25 bananas among 5 monkeys. How many bananas for each monkey? Perfect. Phi is the correct choice. 35 bulbs are placed in 5 boxes. How many bulbs are there in each box? Well picked. 7 is the correct answer. Divide 12 ribbon bows into group of 6. How many groups will be made? On track? 2 is the correct answer. Amit makes 1 chapati in 4 minutes. How many can he make in 32 minutes? Well done. 8 chapatis is the right choice. If there are 70 bananas and 2 monkeys, how many will each monkey get? Nice work. You chose 35 and it is correct. Divide 1 dozen balloon into group of 2. How many groups will be made?
Excellent. 6 is a brilliant choice. 56 sweets are shared by 7 children. How many sweets does each child get?
You're right. 8 is the correct answer. From a ribbon of length 30 cm, how many pieces of 10 cm each can be cut? Nicely done. 3 is a solid answer.
How many groups of 4 children each can be made in a class of 32 children?
Clear logic. Your choice 8 is sound and 100% true.
5 friends found Arstan 100. If they share it equally, how much will each get?
Correct response. 20 is the most accurate answer. There are 360 apple trees in 8 rows. How many trees will be there in each row?
On track 45 is the correct answer.
Distribute 12 crayons to 4 friends equally. How many crayons does each one get?
Strong choice. 3 is the right answer. There are 10 butterflies. How many of them will group together to make 2 groups?
Smart pick. 5 is the correct choice.
A squirrel jumps 3 steps at a time. How many jumps will it take to cover 27 steps?
Excellent choice. 9 is the right answer.
If there are 64 spoons in 4 packets, then how many spoons are there in each packet?
Valid point. 16 is true.
Distribute 500 rupees among 4 children equally. How many rupees will each child get? Good job. Your answer 125 works well here.
Asma has 28 toys. She puts them equally in 7 boxes. How many toys are there in each box? Exactly. 4 makes sense, and it is right choice.
Neha has 4 buffaloes. 4 buffaloes have 20 legs, then find out total legs of 20 buffaloes.
Sharp thinking. 80 is the right choice.
Minku puts her 27 laddus equally into 3 boxes. How many laddus will be put in each box?
You chose 9, and it is correct.
There are 21 candles. Put them equally in 3 boxes. How many candles are there in each box?
Well reasoned. 7 candles is the correct choice. The girls who are playing have 70 fingers altogether. How many girls are playing this game?
Right again. 7 is a valid answer.
If we distribute 24 pencils among the 6 students, how many pencils will be given to each student?
Great job. 4 is the accurate answer.
Ram has 20 books. He can keep 5 books on one shelf. So how many shelves do Ram need in his almirah? Bravo, 4 is the answer.
Joshua buys 9 pens for a total of as 72. If each pen costs the same amount, how much does 1 pen cost?
Smart move. As 8 is an accurate answer. A vegetable seller sold equal weight of tomatoes to 6 men. He sold 20 takaj in all. How much did each man buy?
Perfect. 4 kg is the correct choice. If there are 35 buttons and the tailor puts 7 buttons on each shirt, there will be dash shirt with buttons.
Solid response. 5 is a valid choice.
There are 12 apples. 3 brothers want to eat equal number of apples. How many apples will each brother eat?
Right choice. 4 is the best answer.
You have 12 counters. Which of the following is not a possible way to make equal groups using all the counters?
Nice selection. 5 groups of 3 is the correct and valid answer. Raju wants to distribute 16 chocolates among the 4 friends. How many chocolates will Raju give to each friend?
Well done. 4 is the right choice.
Raju has 64 laddus. He wanted to distribute these really in his 16 classmates. How many laddu will each classmate have?
You got it. Your choice 4 is right.
There are dash caterpillars.
Correct. 21 is the right answer. Hari Prasad has 30 meters of rope. He distributes it equally among his 3 children. Each child gets dash meters of rope. Good thinking. 10 is the right answer.
A tailor puts 4 buttons on one shirt. He made 20 such shirts. Find out the total buttons the tailor needs to put on all shirts.
Great thinking. 80 is the right choice.
Susan had 20 pieces of candy. She was going to share them equally with herself and 3 friends. How many pieces will each person get?
Well picked. 5 is the correct answer.
There are 45 animals in all in 9 houses of a village. Every house has equal number of animals. How many animals does each house have?
Nice selection. 5 is the correct and valid answer. Which insect did the least people choose? You got it. Your choice grasshopper is right. How many caterpillars are there in each group? 7 is the answer.
How many more people chose ladybug than bumblebee?
Smart pick. 4 is the correct choice.
Some girls are playing a game with both their hands. The girls who are playing have 60 fingers altogether. How many girls are playing this game?
Great thinking. 15 is the right choice.
How many people voted for red as their favorite color?
Right choice. 9 is the best answer. Make groups of 3 and identify how many groups can be made.
Valid point. 5 is true. How many rows of 5 plants each can be made with 20 plants?
Excellent. 4 is a brilliant choice.
Dustin had 8 chairs. He needed to put in 2 equal rows. How many chairs were in each row?
Correct. 4 is the right answer.
21 sweets are equally distributed among 3 plates. How many sweets are there on each plate?
Well reasoned. 7 is the correct choice.
Use the picture to answer the following question. Which subject did the most children choose?
Solid response. Math is a valid choice.
If the strawberries in the picture are shared equally among 5 friends, how many will each get?
Nice work. You chose 3, and it is correct.
Sam collected 54 seashells in 3 different colors. He was surprised to see that the number of seashells in each color was the same. Find out how many seashell he collected in one color.
Sharp thinking. 18 is the right choice.
A cereal box holds 18 cups of cereal. Each serving is 2 cups. How many servings are in the box?
Right again. 9 is a valid answer.
Copy the crossword into your notebook. Divide and fill in all the empty spaces. Did you complete this puzzle?
Well picked. Yes is the correct answer.
There are 45 students in the 7th grade band class. The director wants to put them into rows of 5 students. How many rows will he need?
Correct response. 9 is the most accurate answer.
how you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Great job. Contact Narayan Changdar on Facebook is the accurate answer.